What is up, YouTube? Welcome and welcome back. It's your Jamaican friend here again with another reaction. So, on this reaction, we're going to react to James Arthur, a Thousand Years Christina Perri cover. So, this is my first time checking off who is James Arthur himself. So, without further ado, let's see what James Arthur can really do at this point. So, take a walk with me. Let's dive in, guys.
Heart beat fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall?
Amazing, really amazing. The voice is quite remarkable. I gotta say, very impressive.
Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer.
Whoa, I love the way he just like he inhale and exhale. I love that. I love that. I love that. It makes his voice a bit unique from the ordinary people, right? I gotta say, James Arthur is really an incredible singer, right? It's my first time and I'm feeling great already. And I want to hear more of his music, so let's continue.
I have died every night waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'd love you for 1,000 more.
Wow, wow. Such heartwarming voice, guys. I mean, like, every moment, right? I've heard people sing, right? It's always an inspiration to hear other people's voice and what they can do with it, right? And Mr. James Arthur here is doing excellently, right? And he should keep up the good work. I mean, like, a lot of people start to do cover songs and they literally gave up. And this man's future is very promising, right? Because there's no one in the world that can do it better than you, because you are you, right? And whatever you do makes you happy. And this man's music here is literally giving me the happy vibe. I'm feeling literally excellent listening to this song.
Time stands still, a beauty you know. She is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me.
Wow. Astounding voice, astounding voice. I love the way how he literally started from a low pitch into another higher pitch. He literally give his voice a little bit more flair, right? And to be honest, bro, it's my first time and I'm feeling literally awesome, right? And you should always do it your way. You should always keep this momentum, because this is one of the greatest voices I ever heard, to be honest. I've heard such an amazing amount of voices, and everyone comes with a different texture of voice, right? But this one is quite unique, singular, and different. And I'm feeling literally excited to hear this man sing, right? It's always these people who sung these really nice covers always seems to put it aside, where, and I really don't like that, right? You should keep up the good work, bro. I'm here to feel happy. I'm here to feel rejoicing. You literally gives my night an entire greatness, right? So let's continue. Whoa, whoa. This is really incredible, right? And then I gotta say, it is undoubtedly one of the greatest covers of this song ever, right? It is amazing. It is amazing to hear a man singing with such power, right? He's giving it some awesome power. Whoa, very amazing, incredibly good.
For 1,000 years, I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years.
Whoa, this is so touching. It literally melts my heart, guys. To be honest, to meds on the words, it's really touching. It's a very touching voice he's carrying right here. And whoa, whoa. Wow, James Arthur literally makes the song even more enticing. He literally makes the song even more nicer, guys. With this voice, this powerful voice, right? The song is literally even more nicer than the original. This is power, guys.
I love you for 1,000 more. I loved you for 1,000. I love you for 1,000 years.
And his voice literally gives it a different vibe, right? Such immense greatness, right? Such touching tone of voice, bro. And it's literally a romantic voice, right? You can sit under a tree, right, with a very wonderful night. The moon is out, the stars are out, and you and your partner sit under a tree and you can literally listen to this song very softly and you guys can talk about life. This is how great his voice is really is right now. Very amazing.
So long, so long. One step closer. One step closer.
Guys, this is kind of getting a little bit emotional because it touches my soul right there. Right? I'm feeling what he's saying, I'm feeling his song, I'm feeling everything that he's doing right now. This is how powerful his voice really is to me. And I'm way across in Jamaica right now. Right? There's so much going on in this song, I gotta say. Compliments my G. You deserve more. Trust me, you deserve more. This is really amazing, bro. Trust me. I love it. Damn, bro. One of the best I've ever heard. Right?
I have died every night waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000. And all along I believe I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I loved you for 1,000 more.
This is guys, he's really an amazing guy. His song is amazing, his voice is amazing. I just can't get enough of this, trust me. I just can't get enough of this, guys. that one was a very touching one. Like I couldn't help but those tears, guys. To be honest, it was a thing that it should come out. It should come out, right? It have to come out. Amazing, bro. Amazing. You deserve an Oscar for this. Trust me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe for more, and I'll be happy to see 500 likes on this video. If I even get 300 or 200, it doesn't matter. I'll give you guys more reaction. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.